namanje nje, I'm just thinking it's because I don't think uThene I've been right by them. I have not been right by them in a way ngalendlela leyo ukuthi bengihlezi ngilutheke ama drugs notshwala. Ngingaboni ukuthi ubani umuntu ongithandayo. Ngingaboni ukuthi oh no khona abantu because wangisiza umngani wami loyana, wangisiza no Clarissa and baningi futhi abanye abangani engibaluzileke. Abebe ngithanda ngokweqiniso. Engibaluze because of ama drugs. Baningi kakhulu ama relationships nomndeni ubuso give upile kumina. Ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi if I had not decided ukuthi I'm being sober now ukuthi bengizophelela kephi. I came out about being HIV positive openly on my Facebook, though I didn't want to mention it, but I just want where am I coming from? Which was okay, let's do this thing.
Yeah.
I came out about it, about being HIV positive, go 2020. Yes, I'm just thinking, Uti, this happened, I think 2 months before I got a call from Oloresia Mkwebu from Ukhoze FM and offerisha the deal. I think 2 months, 2 months or 3 months. Vele ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngiparty animal, bengiyi-party animal, yilowo muntu nje loyo. Khona into ekuthiwa ukudabo lapha, ukuthi uzoshaya umgwinya, uzoshaya nentasha, yabo?
Yeah.
I was in one of those moods. Siyahlala ke nabangani bami sithi ayisihamba sesibuze lounge eNanda. Mina ngikhule nje uma wami behleze zama yonke into. I even went to UTV. I did Sasko Sami showdowns, ngikhula. Ngangithanda media ne-entertainment. Sase high school ngiqala nje ungena high school ngathola ukusebenza nogcina mhlophe.
Imbobo. Umbhali.
Ngasebenza ePlayhouse with oSilindile noDangala, obheka imkhwane. Ngakhula nje ngilongana ethanda entertainment, uma ewevuka nami. I think into eyangiphazamisa is ukuthanda entertainment kakhulu and then bese ngiyaphuma esandleni sami sale ngicine sengiyohlala eGoli. Ngihamba ngohlala eGoli, ngisafunda khona high school ngisamncane, ngihamba ngohlala eGoli ngifunda grade 9. I think mase ngifika khona sekunakho lokho ukuthi sengiyiphethe vele, ngifika nabanye abayiphethe ngoba isikole lesasikusona sekuyisikole nje ukuthi izingane za away zonke, yabo. Ngaqala ke ekushuthi uma wayenothisa, angazi noma wayenothisa noma wayibonana, wangibuyisa, ngeza ngazofunda la eThekwini futhi again. Mangifunda eThekwini again ngifunda esikoleni eselokishini ngigay ngiphuma eGoli, and even though kuba ngihlala la ade ngifunda ePhoenix sengiyafika ngigay ngikanje so manje sengifika nginaloko ukuthi kufanele ukuthi ngizama ukuba strong, so now I need to hang out with abantu engicabanga ukuthi bakhulu esikoleni, yabo. As much as ngangabhemi ke khona esikoleni kodwa utshwala ngabuqala nje sengifunda high school. Sengihamba khona iclub nje yama eyavalo LGBTQI people ekuthiwa Angelos. Utshwala ke ngaqala lapho ngiphuza strong ke lapho. Ngiphuza strong and then I think uthando lami le-entertainment aliphelanga ngoba sengiqala sengenza lento ekuthiwa i-blogging ngo-2011 ngenza umatric ngase ngiblogga. And then profile yami ya-Twitter yakhula in then 2014 when my blogging career was just like at peak, then sengiyabona manje sengumngani nabantu abama-celebrity, ngihlezi ngikuma-event, utshwala ngimthola mahhala. Sigcina sengisebenza nama-brands amaningi nje utshwala, ama-event otshwala uzongithola mina khona, mina ngenza ama-giveaway amathikithi in. How I get introduced to lento lena-ke manje is because angithi yabona manje ngiyamenywa kuma-event, ngiyakhokhela ukuya kuma-event, ngiyaflywa ngiyakephi. So manje ngibuze nalabo abantu guys kahle guys, like how do you do it? I won't mention because those people yazi uthi so into evede ibe ibhlungu ngalento akazi uma ngizothi ibhlungu noma ngizothi mhlawumbe ubudedengu bami abanye abantu engangingene ngabo bona they're still fine well mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi mina ba right kodwa bona they're still fine abaze bashayeke njengami mhlawumbe bona bayakwazi ukuyicontroller or noma ini ngoba ba right banemizi their careers is still going on abaze ba affected they've never even came out to the public ukuthi basho ukuthi mina nginenkinga yama drugs or mhlambe sengaba nenkinga yama drugs into zabo nje clean bona yabo 2014 ke I got introduced to umgwinyo ngoba kuqala kanjalo umgwinyo then as time goes gcina kusho ngathi ngiyahlanyaka umgwinyo mawudla uba paranoid then ngathi uyahlanya uyabaleka ubona izinto bese kuthiwa hayi ngeke uyeke umgwinyo then bese uphuza utshwala mawuthi uyaphuza utshwala uvede ubona ukuthi bese biyakudaka kakhulu manje umzimba wakho usujwayele ukuthola iboost ethize then introduce kwi cocaine introduce kwi cocaine ngeneke phela kuyona andawazi ukuthi usuyagaxela mina sengimoshe kakhulu nje and I'd like to think ukuthi ngigrateful ukuthi ngigcine ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume lesi story lesi ngikulesimo lesi ngikusona ngoba ukushayeka khona ngishayekile mina ngiluze nje amagig amaningi mina I remember there was a time when ngenza i-campaign no Western Cape Tourism bengibhukile ukuthi angiyowenza i-campaign so the book flights uthi ngihambe nje ngiyongcabeleka e-Western Cape ngiposte ku-social media yami bengibhukele i-flights bengikhokhelile kanje but mina I didn't go. I remember exactly ukuthi sasibhenga kuyi-morning bank abantu belokhu besho ukuthi uyahamba kumnandi kanje wala la uyahamba sekumele ukuthi i-flight yami ngihambe ngekhaya ngiyolunga bese ngihambe ngiphekhile yonke into nethikithi likhona kodwa I decided ukuthi nje no ngeke ngiphuthele ubumnandi omnje. I'm just thinking ukuthi how could I be so stupid, you know, like izinto eziningi ezibhlungu ukuthi okay ama drugs I got introduced to wona ngo-2014 but utshwala in high school but ezinye zezinto ade ngicabanga nje ngoba ngumhla 25 I was paying ikweletu manje I'm 4 months sober which means I only started paying my debts last month because I didn't look ngizama umsebenzi ngayitholi abantu abasangithembi phela. I've been on Ukhozi for 2 years with uBheka Mchunu doing entertainment. I did Gagasi futhi entertainment feature abantu abasangithembi and it's all because of ama drugs notshwala. Sometimes ngingaphithi, sometimes sola ukuthi ngizokhuluma out of hand, irrespect ngicela ngasanayo nje. So manje I have such a big assignment ukuthenini to rebuild the trust, and now the only thing that I have, because mina ngifakela the reason why I always consider ukuthi meaning I always consider ukuthi ngivuma amaphutha ami is because ngeke ngisho ukuthi yena ngiyamsola lo muntu owathi miza mala because sikhuliswe ukuthi ama drugs kufanele ukuthi siwasabe. But nami ngiyaxayeka ukuthi ngacela ngihooka pheke kanjani ukuthi manje sengidla ama drugs sengiphila ngawo sengicela senginezikweletu sometimes ngicela ngasazwani nanoma nakwi industry nje because kwi media I'd like to think iminyanga eminingi ngiyaziwa kuyona but abantu banale image le ukuthi uSendi wild, Sendi is rude, Sendi is always high. Loyo ukhonza utshwala nobumnandi. Mangithi ngiyabheka nje mhlambe ezinye zezinto yabo ama Facebook memory mawuthi uyawabuka ubone mhlambe i-video yakho from a year ago ubona ukuthi hayibo wogxuma phe kwetafula lana khona uDJ manje ngiyabona ukuthi ene leso status noma leyo lifestyle ngangifuna ukuthi ngangizocabanga ukuthi ngizoyiphila kuze kube yinini kahle kahle because manje I don't really relate, like angisaba ngisho nanokusharisha but hayi ukuthi ngizoyidelete. I'm just gonna keep it there because khona slogan esingi profile yami, it's been there for years. I think into engiyibelievayo mina ukuthi everything happens for a reason. That's why I'm not beating myself up, and that's why ngi proud ukuthi ngikhuluma ukuthi hey mina ngiphuma la, hey mina kuwukuthi, because the city one day I will tell my story. Shuthi ngangimanifest ukuthi one day I will tell my story. That day is today, and many other days that I keep sharing my story on social media, because nanokuthi ngize ngicine sengitholile na nawe, because I mean kade ngangikubuka from your shows abantu abebekade bamaphara abangasekhaya nabanye abasayiwona sebezile la ku show yakho. I find it very interesting, but I feel ukuthi abantu, they are not taking much from those stories. Angazi ukuthi ngobani noma mhlawumbe ngoba babona indlela labo bantu ababukeka ngayo at that time ukuthi okay lo muntu lo ngathi usayibhema indaba pho ecabanga ukuthi usazokulontuzana. As much as izitori zabo ziyakha, but I believe ukuthi there's still more noise that needs to be made. And leyo msindo leyo fanele ukuthi yenziwe abantu abanjengathi, people who have experienced it and have lived it, because yabo impilo yama drugs nempilo esheshayo nempilo yani ngiyayazi, and abanye bayibuza ukuthi awu usendi kanjani manje eseyibrand kanje. It's because into ebhlungu ukuthi I branded myself as this party animal person, as much as people knew my work, but then they knew ukuthi they will find me kwi party cool, I'll be there. Ingakho ke ngibona kuyi responsibility yami, because I've made this lifestyle seem so cool and everything. Everyone thought ukuthi oh mangaze ngafisa ukuba usendi uma ngivuka ngila ngise rich, next week tomorrow ngise wine Wednesdays, ngalokho mhlawumbe ngikephi, like I don't have time. But abantu bayihalele le yampilo leyo, kanti mina ibingilimaza, because ingilimaze kakhulu. I'm just not sure ukuthi emzimbeni senze damage enganani, but ngisho ngaphakathi, because yabo lesandla lesami asiqondi kanjena ngalimala ngo-2018 ngilimala eSbuz Lounge.
Okay, sicela uma usixoxela ngokulimala kwakho, usithathe kusuka nifika endaweni ikhuphuka i-event up until kufika lapho ulimala kanjani and usizakala kanjani futhi.
All right, okay, 2018 yes, I'm just thinking ukuthi this happened I think 2 months before I got a call from uLorencia Mqwebu from Ukhozi FM and offerisha the deal. I think 2 months, 2 months or 3 months. Vele ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyi-party animal, bengiyi-party animal yulo muntu nje loyo. Khona into ekuthi ukudabo lapha ukuthi uzoshaya umgwinyo uzoshaya nentasha, yabo. I was in one of those moods. Siyahlala ke nabangani bami sithi ayisihamba seSbuz Lounge eNanda. Ngwasenanda ngikhulele khona, and I'm very proud of it. And seSbuz Lounge ngigwinyo ngifike ngishaya intasha masiphelile bese ngiwethe ngiphosa ufull wamgwinyo. And then as I'm dancing ukuthi phela ezinye izinto uyazi ukuthi into ehlukumeza ngama drugs ukuthi into mayenzeka ngaleso sikhathi uyayikholwa ukuthi iyona eyenzakalayo, and it takes time ukuthi ubone ukuthi oh no, it wasn't that, yabo. Ngangibona ngathi abantu sebefuna ukhona umuntu ofuna ungibulala, but angazi ukuthi ufuna ungibulalelani, sengihallucinate lapho lento yenzeka ngiyadansa. So I was dancing, mina bengumuntu othanda ukudansa ke vele, ngiyadansa abantu bayangibuka, shuthi ngidansa mayithi ngiyabonga, ngibona ngathi ubani uyangibuka, ubani ngisuke ngibaleke ngishone phansi eSbuz Lounge phezulu, ngishone phansi ngiyongena ebhusha ngiyabaleka, bayangibamba ngiyaqhuma ngisuka phezulu phansi, yabo. Kanti kusho ukuthi ithambo lami leli lizo dislocate. Ayikho into ebuhlungu nje udislocate ke kwethambo, because ikhona ukuphuka ikhona okungcono kuno dislocate ithambo, because ithambo malisukela endaweni yalo fanele kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi libuyisele. But at that time mina nginotisanga ukuthi ngilontuzanekile, but I just shuthi ngiyelile, yabo. Bese abangani ke laba abantu laba engangihamba nabo ngicela ukutshela ukuthi okay lo oyedwa wasala lo yedwa wasala bonke basala lo yedwa wangisiza ukuthi ngithole imoto ezongigodukisa ngekhaya imoto mengigodukisa ngekhaya ngifika ekhaya idriver afuna imali nami ngidakiwe futhi ngisenhlungweni futhi ngihigh kwenzeka yonke lento le angazi kwenzakalani mangifika ekhaya ngiye kagogo ekhaya lami eliseGlip namakhaya amaningi eNanda ngoba umama nobaba bakhulele khona so ngiye ekhaya eGlip uma ngithi ngiyafika afuna imali ayibo imali ayikho sigcine sekhipha isibhamu ke egcekeni umuntu ke nami lento le anginandaba yonke nayo ngihambe ngiyolala shuthi angazi umuntu ohamba kanje mangivuka nje ekseni o10 isandla sami singaka ngisenhlungweni ayigogo wami yambona ukuthi uphatheke kabuhlungu kodwa manje akayingeni ngoba phela usacina lo muntu lo usigcine wafika wazokhipha isibhamu awucabange nje ukuthi how much danger engangifaka umndeni wami even nakhona lo bhuti loyo angumkhumbuli mhlawumbe futhi naye akakhumbuli kodwa mengikhumbula uyoxola akhani ngeke ngikhombe ngisho umkhomba ugogo wami bese yafika nalomunye umngane wami intombazane ifike ezongichecka hayibo mngani yazi thina sibuya manje sibuza lounge ugcina unjani ngicine phela kwenza kanje ngiyamtshela ngithi hayibo obuka angiwokhe ngihambe ngiye eNanda Nyathane eclinic bese bayangitshela ukuthi yena bangifaka i-back slap contact i-back slap bese benginika incwadi ukuthi angihambe ngiye eMagandi bese bayangitshela ukuthi kukubi awucabange uhlale 3 weeks esibhedlela just because of i-dislocation yethambo because bayahluleka ukuthi balibuyisele la kumele uthi libuyele khona yabo bagcina ukuthi sekumele ukuthi ngisathiwe ke khona eMagandi ngiyiswe eEdington angifike eEdington nakhona manje ngiyabalisa okay into ngama drugs into esengiyinotisile ever since sengiyekile ukuthi they make you now anenjima ekuthenini akwenza ube depressed mina bekumuntu othanda ukuthi ayibulale uthanda ukuthi nje ngifuna ukuyibulala angazi sengathemtheka ngaki sengaphuza amaphilisi sengazama uku-overdose ngoba ngithi nje ngcono ngife yabo ngilokhu ngi-depressed esibhedlela ngiyadabukisa manje none of the friends that I was partying with bangibheka and that was 2018 yabo ngisema okay akekho ethi abazongibheka abangani cabanga wafika abangani bami base high school and labangani bese bengasekho empilweni yami so bafika mabefika okay bangibona kanjani and then manje angisazi ukuthi ngihambe uba uzongipick up from lento le eDington engigodukise ngekhaya luckily ingakho ngithi yena abanye abangani ave be right kodwa awubabona ubabona ngesikhathi sokubadinga noMfundo Clarissa nawo sokukhoze FM manje ngalezo sikhathi iSugar Sound Gagasi FM wayenza 12 to 3 I think wafika beze wazongilanda I love you so much noMfundo ngiyabonga you've been there for me and wehlezi nje ngibona ngama drugs wena uhleze ngibona ngama drugs sometimes ngithole sengimfonela ngithi mngani ngiphi imali yamgwinya yabona nje umunye wabantu engicabanga ukuthi she gave up on me in a way but I'm just lucky ukuthi ngisakwazi ukuthi ngimfonele just talk about stuff and yabo wangibuyisa ke noMfundo Clarissa kushuthi ke ngagcina sengi-right ke la esandleni kodwa siphindanga saqonda ngicela ukutshela ukuthi kakufanele uzigibe ne-wake up call at that time ukuthi ama drugs I like kodwa I continued qhubeka ngihambe 101 ngigodla isandla njalo hambe 101 nje ngibona ngathi yonke into right well as much as ngangibhenga kodwa umsebenzi wami ngangikwenza ke ngaleso sikhathi ngithole icampaign engimele ngiyenze noSindi Nene lo ekade kuma idols we are not related mina naye kodwa along the way we met through Walutha Humbane who is my godmother ubafunda naye UKZN Sindi Nene wesezama ukubuya esebenza noArthur Mafokate so mina ngangiorganizela iPR ngenzela iPR at that time my media interviews in because that's my specialities. So I was ngihambise ngiyeGoli okay kusebenza kanjalo ke bese ngivide ngithola i-call isandla sami sisaphukile njalo ngithola i-call from Laurentia athi hey Sandy ukhona eThekwini ngithi I'm in Joburg athi listen I've got an opportunity for you and ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba nswempu ngidinga i-feature person at that time mina vele ngikhule uKhozi ngilalela my mom is a die-hard fan yoKhozi as much as my radio experience because I've worked at Vibe FM I've worked in Nanda FM but now uKhozi is just like how because my mom is my queen yabo ngiyosebenza noBheka Mchunu okay ngivede ngenza over the phone i-feature yami achazeke okay shoot manje sengizoba kuKhozi ke ngibuye ngize la eThekwini mangibuya la eThekwini angithi manje sengikuKhozi as much as i-feature when you were a contributor you at that time angazi manje so you wouldn't get paid but isikhathi leso sithola emoyeni oKhozini siyakwazi ukuthi sikuphushele ibrand yakho so I would get bookings and gigs and stuff like that yabo ngemuve ngize ngizohlala kephi la eThekwini edrobheni eflatini ngihlale la eThekwini edrobheni now I have a weekly feature kuKhozi SA Bloggers because I'm the founder of SA Bloggers which also became on hold and stopped working ngenxa yawo ama-drugs and me being reckless mangiza la eThekwini hayi bombona ngathi impilo imnandi ibuthelele kanti futhi ngizohlangana nokunye nalana eThekwini ngihlangane nabanye ngibe busy nama-drugs ngiphinde futhi ngibhumeke phansi ngiwe ngoba phela kade ngangiwe and angazi ukuthi ngizothi uNkulunkulu usho ukuthi ungithanda kangakanani ngoba ama opportunity ngidlalile ngawo mina kakhulu because like mangithi ngiyabuka nje ngiyasho ukuthi yo I remember ngo-20 angisazi kaku-20 bani when ngangenza i-feature with but I think it was lockdown ngenza i-feature with sengiwigagasi-ke manje because I had a great time with uBheka Mchunu, may his soul rest in peace. Akekho umuntu engikhonze njengaloya wenokuthi because yena wayazi ukuthi phela asiholi wenokuthi nje angithi 1000 sendi mina lana yabo ngoba phela nanokuthi sigcina ukusebenza naye kwaba khona inkinga kuKhozi naye nenkinga kuKhozi kanti uzomove ayise ku-show enye I think has noma ezomshado noma I don't know but it was a weekend show after ekade eqeda ukwenza i-Monday to Thursday kodwa yena lokho eqhubekile lokho efuna ukusebenza nami lokho engitshela and then ngangakwazi ukuthi ngazama kuKhozi ukuthi ngisebenze naye ungafonela uThozama Ngwenya wathi yena bazama ukuthi bangitholele i-feature kwi-show yourself but we did it one day and then bese bathi oh no I can't do it next time angazi kushuthi mhlawumbe with my personality ethu ablendanga at that time but khumbula ukuthi ngishilo ukuthi ama-drugs akwenza ukuthi ube depressed I think nalokho futhi kuvede kwenze kwangenza ngaba depressed kakhulu because imagine you just announce ukuthi yena okay sizoyenza i-feature noSelby noSiya Mhlongo and then you do it one day usu-announce na Facebook ukuthi yena senze ibusuku noBheka Mchunu usuyatshela ukuthi yena no kushuthi ngabona kahle ukuthi shuthi akusebenzanga lokho kwangilimaza kakhulu Gagasi FM came through thank you so much to ukwazi and ngamdisappointa futhi naye omunye umuntu okufanele ngixolise kuyena ukwazi wangitholela i-feature noHope Mbele lockdown utshwala bangwatholakala ngangihlala la eCity Life ePremium sasiza sizothenga sithenga utshwala la kaJona ngamakhona utshwala ukuthi yena siyaphuza siyagwinya sigcine sishaya ngisho intashi leka 50 rand I remember kumele ngiye live with bona because we did it over the phone all the time angisazi ukuthi singakhulumani but I was just so drunk cabanga on air so manje sengilimaza ukwazi ongisuggestil I think he unfriended or blocked me on Facebook after that asikaze sikhulume after that kodwa I think last year because uyabona mangisho ukuthi yena ama relationships uthi ngiwa break kanjani abantu bathi bayakholelwa kumina mina ngivete gcine sekuthi ngiyalimaza last year or that year ngamamisela incwadi esasebenza kwiGagas esasebenza kwiGagas but asikazi siphinde sibonana, we've never spoken about it. Ngiyasho nje ukuthi yena ngiyamkweleta fanele ukuthi ngixolise kuyena. No Hope Mpele, we've never spoken after that. We sure abayenza no Spay Live nabo ngaze ngixolise kubona after that. For sure nje bayasho ukuthi uSend is just not like, it's just one not serious person. Yabo okay ngamosha kanjalo le Gagas FM. Qhubekeke
okay ngixolisa ukuphulula
yeah
khona iphatho ithintayo lapha ye depression efusa idakamizweni sina nama celebrity ayibulalayo obanye kuthiwa mhlawumbe kutwist uyeside uyikhungile mhlawumbe omunye kuthiwa uyiphosile kunesinye isigameko lapha khona omunye umfowethu oyicelebrity nawe ngasekho emhlabeni ayebamba khona intombi yakhe ifuna ukuyiphosa ngewindi awuthi ukubuyela lapho umfowethu ugcile cause abantu thina sinalo ulwazi ngezidakamizwa and uma ukhuluma ukuthi wena ususeyidakamizweni wayiphosa uzama ukuyibulala zonke lezi zinto zenzeka kanjani futhi laba bantu abaningi kuthiwa bayibulala esibukela kubona ukuthi baphumelele empilweni kodwa uze kuthi umuntu useyibulele abanye kwenzakalani mhlawumbe ungasithatha usibeke nje umuntu onoko bakhona lapha
okay yabo uma high okay you high you happy and then mase ama-drugs yabo mase phuma egazini they mess up with your body or noma nje like withdrawal bizwa nge-withdrawal and into encane inga-triggerisha ukuba depressed kwakho. It can be something that's said by someone, it can be being broke because the majority depression is being broke or just anything nje bese you feel nje depressed, you just want to kill yourself, you just want to end things. Kodwa uma ukuthi at that moment uthi awuzothola enye fix, awuzojabula, you'll be happy immediately, yabo, and then futhi uphinde futhi mase broke futhi you just feel depressed ngoba phela ngenza isikhathi wenza ama drugs uyawenza ama drugs awunandaba with and mawubhema uhigh ngaleso sikhathi awunandaba nawonke umuntu, even ngisho umzali, even ngisho umngani, because mina benginokuthi mhlambe ngiqamba amanga ngithi ngiyaboshwa, ngizokutshela nje istory benginozisho ngithi ngiyaboshwa umuntu angifakela imali, ngithi ngiyashawa, ngithi khona umuntu engumkweletayo, ngithi ngistranded, ngithi ngilambile, ngithi ini. So manje ngoba lezi story zonke seyiphelile and nabantu sebephelile sengidepressed manje, sengidepressed na yini, ngizobakhokhela ngani labantu laba bayexina bayifuna imali yabo. They've trusted me, they've taken my word for it because angazi noma bayangithemba noma ini kodwa manje abasangithembi, nalokho kuyangidepress, yabo. Nanokuthi uyabona manje mina ngoba I think uyabona nje umuntu behleli kwenye inkungu because manje yabo i-state engikusona uma ngibroke noma ngidepressed sengivede ngibe motivated ukuthi ngisebenze kanzima, ngisebenze kakhulu. So when I'm depressed ngivede ngisebenze kakhulu, ngiyaxakeka ukuthi kanjani ngoba at that time uma ngidepressed hayi ama drugs khona ayenzayo emzimbeni ngomuntu ngoba ngivede ngifuna ukuyibulala ngaze amaphilisi engawaphuza kangaki. And I remember last year khona indawo engihlala kuyona ngoba ngisho nje ngithi mina I'm just lucky khona ubaba kuthiwa Mr Mike Khumalo indawo yakhe, indawo ebumnandi sakhonzana ukuthi vele I was frequenting the place, ngihlezi ngiza and then ngigcine sengikhonzile uyangibona ukuthi ngitalented kodwa indaba yama drugs ihlezi engayifuni, yabo. So ngoba nje ngisho ukuthi indaba yami ukuthanda ukuyibulala, ufuna ukuyibulala vele because wayiyona lento le yama drugs, ngibe nenkinga ekhaya, ngixabana nawo wonke umuntu, phela ngithi ngidepressed akunamali noma le mali le ngizoyithola from a certain client izofika futhi izophinde ihambe, or noma mangiyithola fanele ngibaleke la ngihambe mhlawumbe ngiyovakashela umngane wami ohlala eGlenwood, ngicime ifoni yami ingatholakali, sidle le mali sidanga ama drugs senzeni bese ngiqhama ngowetha istory esidabukisayo. And then I would be depressed again, yabo. Kuphi la ubechazelwa khona konje?
indaba yalo baba obunokuhamba.
Oh yeah, uMr Mike Khumalo onendawo ethi Leon's Lifestyle Lounge eMarikana, bayazi ngeMarikana abantu ilapha ematendeni. Ngamtshela pubs nginenkinga, need a place to stay kanje. What I said, you'll get a room. I was staying there unaloya baba endaweni yaloya baba ngoba unemqasho khona endaweni ngihlala endaweni yakhe for 2 years engangikhokhisa rent. Bengihlala ku floor ephezulu kodwa uyazi ukuthi ngibe nomcabango ukuthi yazi ukuthi yena mase ngithi ngithatha isheet ngilengise la ngilenge la ezansi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingaba ngcono. Sometimes ngathi ngavuka ngoba phela bengihlala phezulu ngoba yabo ugogo wami because she knew ukuthi yabo nje ekhaya bese bengazi ukuthi nginokusaba ngibaleke ngithi ngiyajahwa nani yena way worried ukuthi ngoba ngihlala kule ndawo ephezulu ukuthi uyoka iphose lapha yayisandile uyoka iphose and ngikutshela ukuthi into engiyihluphile lapha yana ukuthi yabo umuntu mekukhombisile ukuthi uyakuthanda ukukhonzile into engiyihluphile lapha yana Bhodlo suyicapha abantu abavakashele mina mase sidakuye phela noma siyayisenze noma yini siphula licapha sibangela abantu abaqashile abanye ilonduzana lo baba nje akumele uthi angixoshe kodwa akukhombisa ngungixosha and igameko zami zawo ama drugs uzazi kakhulu. I think uzazi okudlula even my mom because uma akayiboni yena uMr Mike Khumalo benokuyibona. But he still never gave up on me because now that I'm working on cleaning my life and doing stuff for the community, ukhona umngcwabo bengiwuplana because bungadlala umasingcwabisane ngithema ngimtshela wafethu wasukumela phezulu kodwa kuba umunye umuntu because indlela engumhluphe ngayo kule ndawo ngibulala amawindi ngibulala ugesi ngihambe ngiyofuna utshwala mahala cabanga uthi all those things ukuthi mama ukuthi ngiyacabanga njengamanje ukuthi ngangizenzelani ezinye ngathi ngingaphalaza the way they discussed me. That's why umuntu uma ethi mina yabo nje njengamanje ku Facebook izolo ebusuku kade ngisharisha ama screenshots ezikweletu zabantu kade ngikade uyikhokha uma uthi ngakweleta ngicela ukuthi ungitshele nje eceleni because ezinye izinto yazi ukuthi abantu abanga understand uma umuntu odla ama drugs uyakhohlwa nanokuthi what are you doing. Mina nje abanye ngiyathuka abanye sebesho abanye ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngiyamkweleta abanye ini yabo ngiyasho nje ukuthi yena ngiyasho lezi imali lezi ngoba phela ngiyafisa ukuthi ngiqhubeke nempilo manje yabo manje into esengiyenza ukuthi I'm working on my life and I'm fixing my lifestyle but manje ke futhi enye inkinga khona lo mngane nami sasibuka naye podcast yakho yena uSevedo wangena ngala
manje iyona into engiyibuzayo ukuthi cause adusho masiqala ukuthi kunomngane wakhe benibuka naye MPTV1 but still ophinda wayemgaqweni kwenzeka kanjani mongachazela umuntu osekhaya.
Ngixakekile nje ngixakekile kakhulu umngane wami very talented besebenza ngisho esikoleni savuse lethwalo well spoken yabo indlela engiphatha ngayo kabuhlungu abangitshela bathi bayambona bathi ukhuluma isingisi to English girl ubizwa ngo English girl kuthiwa wenza ukuthi I think yena into emshayele kakhulu ungawuthola umsebenzi kanti futhi nokuthanda ubumnandi. Mina abantu abaningi ebengithi abangani bama freak like ukuthi they would do anything for the next fix. They would do ama hook up, do this kodwa talent uthola ukuthi umuntu unalo ukuthi yini esimlethela emgaqweni into ade siyibuka nayo size sisho uthene usiyabhema kodwa ngeke uthi ngeke ngize ngihlale emgaqweni yena ayikho indawo eThekwini iflat angahlalanga kulona ekhokhi rent ukuthi ukumuphi umqondo lo omtshela ukuthi fanele ukuthi azohlala la emgaqweni ngoba phela abantu laba bayamazi she was quite popular in Durban bayamazi abantu bayabuya bezongitshela mina ukuthi Pete angaze ngihlangane naye ngihlale kakhulu la eThekwini so I really don't like it now so mhlawumbe ingakho ngaze ngihlangane naye kodwa abantu mabe ngitshela nje bethi hayibo Sendi umngane wakho ukuthi hayibo Sendi umngane wakho ukuthi angazi ukuthi yini eyamngenisa or noma yini because nanami mina I did PR for umuntu owabhala incwadi ngo-2014, incwadi ethi Secrets Make You Sick, uTrevor Kleinhans. uTrevor Kleinhans is a white man, South African, HIV positive openly, and uphila ngempilo yakhe of using drugs for for almost 20 years. So incwadi yakhe ngayifunda, I studied it, ngenze PR, ngamenzela ama-interviews, but I still got hooked kuma drugs. I don't know what's kanjani noma mhlawumbe, because encwadini yakhe uyachaza the dangers of drugs, uyachaza everything, how you get hooked, how in mhlawumbe angazi nami, angazi usasibonelo D presenter eVibe FM inokusho, well oqala ngimtshela ngithi mina inkinga yama drugs in yazi wathini, wathi Sendi i-circle yakho kufanele ukuthi uyishintshe. Uyazi ukuthi abantu abadla ama drugs ayikho into abayisaba nje ukuluza abangani babo bama drugs. Ngiyazi mina because I've been there. Nami ngangisaba lawo bangani bami. Ngibona ukuthi Nkosi bayangithanda. Ngibona ukuthi uthando yini? Ithando ukuthi yena uyafika la kumina uthi yena ayibo ona sisikhwama sibheme. Indaba, why can't we do anything productive? Because yabo manje sithi ngishintshile. None of those people are still in my life right now. And none of those people are even reacting on my post, me speaking about this. Okunalokho abanye babo bayangizonda because I'm no longer chilling with them. Bayangizonda bacabanga ukuthi ngizenze ngathi ngingcono. Kanti I think futhi enye into eyenza ukuthi labantu laba ama drugs baqhubeke bawadla is because sinokubaxolela in a way. Sithi uzoyeka, ungeke ngikunike, ngizokunika ukuthi. Yabo nje mina njengamanje khona umfana ngasekhaya engimazi ukuthi uqhamuke ekhaya right, yabo shuthi ngiyehla ke estopini ngiyadlula esitolo ngisazi uzibeka ithi ngiyethengana bese thena Steve ngicongiphe shumbandla kanje ngithi ngifuna ukuthi ngipholone ngithi mina musuloqhama kini nje khona ukudla makho usebenza kahle musukuhlaza uma wakho ucabanga ukuthi yena uzokudabukela ngoba uthi wena ufuna ukuthana bese thena usikhuluma kanjalo ukhuluma kabuhlungu ngithi mina yena ngivele ngizokhuluma kanjalo athi awumfethu phakathi kwabantu ngithi nawe ngicela upholone phakathi kwabantu ufuna abantu bathini yabo uthi awumcabangela ima wakho ngicabangele isithunzi sakho ungitshela ukuthi yena wena abantu bazothini kodwa uma isithunzi sama wakho usicabangeli uma wakho usebenza kahle kodwa wena uzongicelela nduze ngizofuna ukuthenga upholone kini khona khona konke ukudla bese thena hayi angiphe 2 rand ngithi mina yena ufunani ngalo 2 rand ngithi kuthengela ugwaye uthi ngithi ufuna ukuthenga ezinye idakamizwa ngimnike kodwa I think if kuzoqhubeka kanjalo, if people can say umuntu mayefuna ukuthi awangithengela ubhiya yabo nje mina angifuni ungasho I'm not comfortable with umuntu ofuna ngimthengela utshwala njengamanje. Ngiyazi ukuthi kade babe ngithengela kodwa phela babethanda kodwa mina njengamanje akekho umuntu ozothi fanele ukuthi ngimthengele utshwala ngimthengele ngimbona ukuthi umuntu unenkinga ngigcwalisela ukuthi unenkinga. I think enye into phela leyo even nabazali umnikele into yakho uzowenza like guys nalento lo khondoni iphara ukuthi nawo leli phara leli shuthi yena elala ekhaya liyazi ukuthi elala ekhaya leli kushuthi umthengela into yakho uzoshayika kashe into engaboli. No, don't do that. Let them suffer. Let them suffer. Ask them if they want help because yabona mina into futhi engisizile uJacinta Ngobese we've known each other for years and I've always held irrespect enkulu for yena waqala i-platform about she started a conversation about drugs and with me the only way to now seek help was to come with conversation yakhe ngihambe ngiyocomment ngisho ukuthi yo yazi ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuphuma kanje. That was the first thing that I did without telling anyone umunye seceleni ining. That was the comment njengihamba ngayo comment and then ngase ngathola ama calls from different people abanye baku industry. Yazi ukuthi mina me speaking about i-journey yami ngikhumbuzile ukuthi yazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ku industry bengicabanga ukuthi sebengilahlile noma bangifuni. It's not that ukuthi bebengangifuni, it's just that bebediniwe. Hard love which I want ukuthi abanye abantu benze kanjalo. Mina ngeke umuntu angisoze mina ngamthengela umuntu isikhwama njengamanje ngeke ngithengele intashi ngeke ngikuthengele iwunga, ngeke ngikuthengele ini. I don't condone it. Even ngisho namazene nani because uma ngikuthengela kusho ukuthi ngiyakuvuna, ngibone ngathi leyo nto leyo yenza i-right. Angiyithandi nje. Yeah.
Ukubuyela emuva embuzweni wami mhlawumbe ngithi ukucwecwa. Ngizosho izinto ezizizwa ku social media. Ukuzibulala ka Rick kwasolakala idakamizwa. Kunomfana weSundowns uAdams oyibulele idakamizwa futhi ziyasolwa nazo. In as much as kushiwo ukuthi uma wengane yakhe uxabene naye kanjani but abantu akusho mina kusho abantu bathi bayisola nezidakamizwa. uAKA weke waveza kubhodloka isicapha. Angazi noma exabana nentombi yakhe kodwa wakhipha igama elithi ubembambe efuna ukuyiphosa. Kwasolwa izidakamizwa. Njengamanje wena wayiphosa ngenxa yezidakamizwa. Kuzona zonke lezi zitori ngokucabanga kwakho ungathini?
Uyazi ukuthi ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyabona yabo izidakamizwa Nkosi yami ngibone ngathi zihamba noSatanism ukuthi khona ama spirits ahamba nakho because uyazi ukuthi even ngisho uyazi ungavuka manje udinga imali yokuthi uhambe uyofaka ama CV ngeke uyithole kodwa mase udinga imali yentasha uyayithola. You come up with a plan, you become so smart ngale ndlela leyo ungayazi isitori uyasenza uyithole intasha. The moment uyithola uyabhema ngithi you'll be depressed. Angazi ukuthi ngizokubekela kanjani lento le. Ama drugs once wawadla khona izinto eziningi oyibonayo uzwe ngathi yabo nje mina ngizokutshela ngizokutshela obekwenzeka kumina. Thola ukuthi yena ngidlile ama drugs immediately sengibona abantu abakhuluma ngami. Awukazi uhallucinate indaba pho ungaboni into ezinhle. Angaze ngibone mhlawumbe ngibone ngathi hawu lo muntu mhlawumbe uyangishela o lo uyangifuna o lo uyangihlekela o laba bayangincoma. Uhlezi ubona into ezimbi. Ubone ngathi abantu bathi uyanuka. Ngikutshela nje mina ubone ngathi uzwe ngathi uyanuka. Izinto ezenzakalayo abantu they will agree with me because they know. Ubone ngathi khona abantu abahleba ngawo. Ubone ngathi khona abantu abafuna ukuhlanganyela. Manje ubone ngathi zonke lezi zinto zingingcola ukuthi uvethu uyiyeke impilo yakho uvethu uyiqede nje. Because you just want to rest. Lezi zinto phela zisuke ziningi kuwena. It is too much. Ngoba angazi ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi because manje mase uzama ukulala futhi engalaleki. Phela that's the thing. Mase ucabanga kakhulu mina benginokuthi uma ngilele ngivete ngivuke ngathi ngamemeza ngathi yonke into ngifuna ukuthi iphele manje nefoni ngiyilahlelena. Why? Kodwa ever since I've become clean, even ngisho ngineyinkinga, even ngisho mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ngizotrenda mhlawumbe khona umuntu owenze noma ini, manje I'm able to deal with problems in a way very positive manner, in a calm manner. I think nane lokuthi angazi uma igijimisa kakhulu negazi nomqondo ukugijima kakhulu abanye abaze bayiduduza bathi intashi uba awake. Phela okay uba washi kodwa uba too wash uba umsebenzi futhi even nanamehlo agijima kakhulu futhi uxakeke nawe nanovalo lugijima kakhulu uvethu uze ngathi umoya uyaphela. Ngisho uzama ukuthi uyafika endlini uthi uyazama ukulala kulaleki yilapha I think nanalokho ucabanga okuningi yabo ngoba besho ukuthi yena uba wash mhlawumbe mina nginoyikho ukuthi angeke ngibambe ukuthi mina ngiyowenza ukuthi ngiyozama ungenzela ubukeleme ngibhemile ngoba bathi usuke uyislima ngoba namehla indlela asuyegijima ngayo nawe yonke into nje ubone ngathi kuthini iba yihaba. So into mayihaba it becomes too much for your body, then you just want to rest forever. Because yazi khona umunye uyi-producer eshelisha story, he's a comedian. Ufiso Prondlovu producer eNanda FM breakfast show ekhuluma esho ukuthi yena wanikwa ama edibles uthi indlela emame ngayo esefise ngathi ngcono afe noma iphosele entuzaneni ucabange ewadle kanye ngoba uyisefuna ukuthi aqede lento le ayifilayo khona into ekutshela ukuthi zibulale kuqede mina khona ekhaya benginokuthi kagogo wami uma ngilele uma ngilele kanje mayithi siyabheka uSilimport yabo ngafaka isiyabo la ukuthi kukanjani la phezulu ngisho ukuthi mina yabo mase ngihenge lento zana yabo nje icabangayo like why ucabangele leyo nto leyo. It's because you just wanna shut off yabo nalento leyo ukuthi yabo nje after ukade uwenza ama drugs noma ukade ugroove noma ukade wenzani itoro soyizwayo ukuthi wenze ini phela I think phela ingoba yabo ekuyibulaleni kuyenzeka to the best of us ingoba uvethu ucabanga ukuthi ama-flop owenzile phela la masuqala ukuthi usuba soba seyaphuma ama-drugs elentuzaneni izinto sezibuya mawala zonke lezi zinto lezi iy'nkinga nje ney'nkinga onazo nane-call engangena usukusaba ngisho kuyibami even nane-voice notes. That's how bad it gets and I'm just so thankful ukuthi ngagcina ngingakwazanga uyibulala because I'm just thinking ukuthi uma ngabe ngimthwesa into ebuhlungu kanje. There was a time when after sengizamile ukuthi ngiyivuse because ngoba ngisho ukuthi nginenhlanhla ukuthi abantu bayangithemba ngonyaka odlule ngasebenza njenge-EA ekhanya ukusa educators assistant ekhanya ukusa esikoleni. Ngicela ukutshela ukuthi ngasebenza 4 months ngayeka ngiyekiswa yini I don't know. I just decided ukuthi hayi ngeke lento yabheda lento kanje ngangiyekelana. Now the trust namanje kusafanele ngiyoxolisa ku-principal. U-principal uyena owayengifundisa grade 2 and the girl that works as a clerk nayo yona yangikhulumela othisha bebengithembile because iningi izinto bengiletha nasesikoleni even before ngize ngijoyina but manje I've burnt that bridge with them. Uthi yini yangekisa umsebenzi ku4 months umsebenzi sengisebenza u4 months ngikadecide ukuthi ngize ngiqedele i-contract angazi nami njengamanje but that was last year. Uyabona ukuthi ziningi kanjani even naseVuma FM I'd like to think ukuthi mhlawumbe ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi ngixoshwe because mina ngaxoshwa nakhona ngoba ngangiphuza kakhulu ngenza ama drugs. That was 2016.
Okay. uSiyamhlongo ugay?
Angazi.
uSelby ugay?
Yes.
Ugay now?
Yep.
Kwenziwa yini ukuthi ningakwazi ukusebenzisana niqhubekene phambili ekubeni abantu abagay sibazi ngokubambisana?
No, I wouldn't say ukuthi mhlawumbe ibona ababa nenkinga. I wouldn't say mhlawumbe phela ngithi kwi-radio akuyenzeka ukuthi ama-personality clash mhlawumbe sasimemeza ngangimemeza nami noma I don't know angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani and funny enough I've never spoken no Selby about it uthi indaba nona siyangaze ngibabuza ukuthi indaba ngoba ngayenza nje kanye ishow and then they said no it won't work. Angazi ukuthi indaba yazi yeah I wouldn't know but into engiyaziyo ke about i-radio is that nje nanomnini uyavuka kuthi ukhona kusasa ngathi uthi awukho and it's a pity ukuthi samezinye izinto azikho ayikho into esingayenza but mina ngisafisa ukuthi ngikhule within khona but it didn't work so khona omunye umuntu vele manje wenza entertainment khona vele sengikhulile ke manje la ngibona ukuthi ngisaphinde ngisangaba busy ngenza umkhosi ne-entertainment. Yeah.
Uyakhumbula ukuthi ngithe nguwe masiqala ukubonana? Ngithe une-voice e-right.
Yeah ngikuzwile usho.
Yeah ngizwile ukuthi hayi le voice le inganamathele e-radio because amaphimbo abantu awafani.
Yeah.
Kunephimbo olizwayo ukuthi lingele violence. Yeah so wadliwa yini la?
Ngalimala ngidakiwe angazi ukuthi kanjani ngabe ngabona sengisekhaya ngathi ngagwazwa noma ngenzana ngazi kwenzakalani but somewhere a point nakhona lokho futhi ezinye zezinto zedakamizwa 2024 ngathola iTB na because of zona futhi idakamizwa. I'd like to think because 2024 ngibe ngibhema kakhulu ngalesikhathi bengihlala khona lapha yana one of the residents la kade ngiwasho mina benginoku-invite abantu befike bezongivakashela endlini yami ngithola ukuthi they'll be there like anginandaba nje ukuthi kwenzakalani kudla ukudla kwami angagqoka into zami ezinye ziyahamba ziyafa anginandaba uthola ukuthi mase ku Sunday sekuhanjwe sengiyabala mhlambe i-throws u36 o plastic mhlambe ba u44 ade ngisikhuluma izolo le story nabangani bami ngithi hey guys niyakhumbula kodwa yeah hey I think it's TB futhi yabe nenye wake up call but I don't know ukuthi ngabuyela kanjani. I'm just lucky ngempela uNkulunkulu mina uyangithanda ngoba angazi ngibe esimeni ukuthi ngiyagula mina nje ngavede ngangilele ngade ngibheme weekend yonke omunye umngane wami celebrate birthday yakhe ngibheme weekend ngaphaphament atha and ngangingedwa endlini kodwa ngikhohlele ngaze ngenza ngathi kugcwala amathe ebusweni bayithi ngetoilet igazi lingakanani yo uvalo yazi kodwa ngisuke ngifonela uma ngimtshela ukuthi hayibo ma shuthele futhi nani igazi ngitshela ukuthi hayibo ngihambe ngiclinic yabo nje kuba umuntu abantu abayeke futhi lento le ngoba abanye babethi awukhona into edlile uhlala emqashweni uhlezi unabangani abantu abayeke abantu abakhonza iclinic kahle abayijwayele nje lento because nami ngangibona ukuthi ayingeke phela yazi ukuthi phela mawubhema into asho kushela usho i-throw kushela usho i-throw phela awuyinaki naleyo nto lethi you share straws nakhona phela i-TB uyayithola na kanjalo yabo uya default nasentweni zakho ithathayo wenzani yeah so igazi la ngilodozana ngihamba ngayo-test ngathola ukuthi ngine-TB na ngazama ukuma ngama ngayiqeda treatment yami ngabuyela futhi angibuyelanga ngiqedile treatment ngabuyela ngisano 5 months cabanga because of abangani i-pressure because I mean you can't say ukuthi because abantu bebenokuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi bakhona endlini yami ngiyabatshela ukuthi mhlawumbe sengifuna ukulala betha osahleli sikuvakashelile nje uhleli kanjani uvakashela umuntu ekutshela ukuthi sefuna ukulala endlini yakhe wena uyaphuza uyabhema yena afuna ahlala abuke wena uphuza ubhema abanye abantu abacabangelani ila ebengibona khona ukuthi bonke labantu laba bengangithandi sonke lesikhathi because I mean uma ngikutshela ngithi mina ngifuna ukushintsha indaba ungitshela ukuthi sengiyabhora ngibhorela wena noma ngibhorela mina yini indaba ungangikele ngiqhubeke ngibhora indaba ungafisa ukuthi ungijabulele ukuthi how right uyayiqhubeka uyayiduduza enye ngiphatha kabuhlungu nje khona omunye umngane wami ebengaphuza utshwala enhlobo ngoba ebengaphuza nje utshwala mina ebengaphuza utshwala behleze ngithuka ukuthi hawu bhema utshwala uphuza utshwala bhema ama-drugs ungayenzi leyo nto leyo njengamanje I smoke weed but I don't take drugs. I mean I don't take cocaine nani. I-weed ngiyayibhema mhlawumbe mangilala ukuthi because engize yonke into ngithatha step by step naye ngifuna ukuhamba ngigcine sengiyekile ngiyabhema i-weed ngiyabhema ugwayi njengamanje yena bebhema i-weed ugwayi ngawubhema utshwala ngaphuzi uyabona manje indlela asengene ngayo kwintashi
uvele ngeshiya
yabo nje sevede kwaphambana ngithema ngiyeka mina ngicabanga ukuthi umngane wami sezojabula ukuthi okay nama yena usengenile uthi siyaphothula ukhuluma zonke leyo language and I'm just thinking ukuthi kanjani after I'm making so much noise
ukhona ne-social media naye
ukhona ku-social media uyayibuka and manje sesiqale
ngisho yena ukuthi umuntu okhona ne-social media uyaphothula
naye akusiyena lo
ngithi umgilani uyamnuka phela umphakathi
no akusiyena umgilani umngane wami oyintombazane umngane wami oyintombazane siyaphothula ama-video awadlalayo manje nezinto ayidlalayo akalali and manje sesiqhelelanile uyabo because manje I mean like uyabona ukuthi impilo yami ukuthi be-fucked up kanjani mina nje ngiyi-perfect example because ngasekhaya bayazi even on my social media because I've always been a blogger into yami bengihlezi ngiyibeka nje out there ngidalwe kambi noma ngithi ngizothi ngidalwe kahle ngokwami ngoba abantu bayathanda abanye bethanda ukukhuluma bethi yena I share too much mina the moment I share I heal uma ngisharisha ngiya heal yabo nje even the time I was busy high on drugs I would say I'm depressed kubantu ngithi I would say I'm depressed for a very long time and abantu on my social media they would attest ukuthi ngigcinene nokuthi ngithi ngidepressed ukuthi ngithi ngifuna ukuyibulala angisakusho angisabhali nangalokho that is not even in my language akuphele. It's not in my language, it's not in my vocabulary, it's akusiyona nje into engicabanga ukuthi eke singakhuluma ngishonana ngayo.
Umbuzo wami uthi ke uma kunomuntu obonile umuntu idakamizwa zidestroy impilo yakhe aphinda angene mhlawumbe ukuqwashisa umbukele ekhaya ungawela kanjani entashini because iyona ngathi kuwelwa kuyo kulezi insuku.
Uyazi ukuthi omunye uyazi ukuthi guys angazi ukuthi ngizothini mina. Khona omunye for a very long time yena akaphuza utshwala futhi naye. We went to high school naye. We keep tabs. Useshayelo Uber. So athi mina isendi ngakuhleze tshela ukutshwala bumuhla nje ngimtshela sayibo mina mfethu sengina 3 months angenze lutho even nanentasha athi hayi mina phela iyangisiza ke yona intashi ngoba ngiyalento le ngiyangenzela ukuthi ngingalali ngisebenze yabona ke the moment you use i-drug as something ukuthi iyona ekusizayo ucabanga ukuthi i-excuse yakho ucabanga iyona la izosebenzisa wena kakhulu. Ila uzosebenzisa wena kakhulu because manje kwayena naye Sandile yazi ngistakile la ukwazi ukuthi unginotezana lo petrol. Mina njengamanje awusoze angeke ukwazi ukuthi wenze njani ungiqambela amanga uthi ufuna imali upretend ukuthi wenze because kugabhadi kakhulu sengazi yonke imiqondo. From 2014 over 10 years ngiwadla ama drugs the lifestyle ngazi yonke into ngeke ungiqambela amanga ngiyakubona ngisho uqhamuka ukuthi uphemile. Yabo khona lesiqalile nje no Ndabeni
uNdabe muphi
uQwabe.
Okay.
Ngiqalile drug awareness campaign and uNdabeni naye ngamcela ngathi ngicela ukuthi angene kuyona and then there's this guy wangasekhaya who's been to rehab. Okay, mind you una 28 years, right? Yeah, he's been to rehab more than 4 times. Waqala ukuye rehab ka2011 ngo2011 ehandiselwa abazali bakhe insanga esafunda high school. Yena mina ngoba ngitshela ukuthi ama drugs ngiwaqaleni nangithi usaya kwi rehab eseGlenwood usaya ngisho nale rehab le yamahala sobuya kule ndaba le rehab yamahala because abantu abazi ukuthi khona rehab yamahala. Usaya kule rehab yamahala usaya more than once. uNdabena because bese bawu 3 angithi uNdabeni bese kwi boot camp angithi be rehabilitate khona yena lo muntu lo this other time uyafika afika ngizombhala i-profile because I'm busy ngizama profile I'm pitching to people uyafika uyayibhanyazela ngithi mina yebo indaba uthi hayi mfethu yasingude ngalingeka khona ngicela ukuthi ungibizile kanje kanjani Silima mina nje ngiqathi ukubhala ku Facebook wami ngithi mina ngeke mina ungimeme ungibize uthi ungimemela uthi uyochilla nami bese ukhipha intasho ukhombisa ukuthi awungithanda ungijwayela kabi khona nje nomunye ngeke manje mina ungimeme ukuthi ungimema endaweni ku-event manje eseLondon because angikuboni like yini engizoyenza I don't understand because manje sengibona ngiyacikeka the anger enginayo ngingami ukuthi ngiyimoshile impilo yami ngidla ama drugs idolize lento le uma ngikhona and I'm around those people iyabuya ngalendlela lo ukuthi I cannot tolerate nonsense ukuthi wena ozenzayo in a way like uthi umuntu uzokuvakashela into yenzakalile nje khona intombazane ngifike yangasekhaya ngiyaziyo iyangibona bese uyobona kamngala omunye kushoniwe ivete le ntombazane lena ithi sendiyami njani ngithi ngiyaphelisa ngifonisa ngithi ngikhona izinto engizenza efonini yami mina ifoni yami ngifuna ukuhlukana nayo and futhi I'm not comfortable with giving umuntu ifoni yabo ngithi bese thena ngithi mina ngiyekhaya bese ngiyafika ngithi ma ongilambeni ngabe ufuna uzongilandela nje uzoyenza lento ngoba ngiloke ngima mina udakiwe uhaye ngama drugs yabo angilandele ke ngihambe mangithi ngiyafika ngithi ngisadla bese thena mana mina ngilambile bese engami sheshe yavuka ke ngithi mina uhleli lapha ya uhleli nalomuntu lo nithenga intasha nithenga utshwala kodwa ulambile khona ukudla kena uphekele ngani ilento le isidina ngabantu bentasha ukuthi umuntu ahleze ufuna ukudatshukela nokudatshukela mina bengikanjalo bengihlezi ngifuna ukudatshukela bengihlezi ngiyi-sad story sober story mina ngizomkhombisa ukuthi ngidiniwe ngimtshela ukuthi na kahle nje uzenzile wena manje mina kufanele inkinga yakho ifake yami mina ngilambile ngoba bengihambile ngiyobona la ngingcwatshwe khona bengihambile ngi-away wena ubuhleli ubhema intasha engabe uhlalekini yet all the time ukuthi ubheme mina upheke kini manje usefanele ukuthi mina kusho ukuthi ngikudabukele nami ngikuphakele because phela into iqala kanjani yabo uma ukhombisa i-tough love umtshela ukuthi uzenzile wena indaba manje usuda kweintasha okay mina ngizibe ngihlala mhlawumbe nami o 3 days ngadli kodwa la ngidla khona isisu esibaqakile phela uyikhohlisi phela uyayikhohlisa uthi uzoba right uyazi ukuthi ulambe isisu ulambe kodwa umqondo wakho ungayitsheli ukuthi ulambile umzimba uya decline mawuthi uyasithinta isisu usizwe hlaba ngisho ukuthi ufaka amanzi because there's nothing uyaphalaza mawuthi ufaka amanzi uyaphalaza akusangeni lutho yabo ucabanga ukubhema yabo nje uthola ukuthi mhlambe khona i-campaign engizoyenza mhlambe with i-radio station ethize mhlambe ngithole leyo mali le sengizobala ikweletu nginazo njalo ngeke ngiyikhokhe ngizocabanga ukuthi yena hayi ngizothenga u5 clipper ngithenge ilontozana idamp elilodwa phela yazi ukuthi ama drugs afike akwenze engathi azokusiza ukuthi hayi ungadawa kakhulu noma ungabanjwa ukuthi wayinhlobelalayo phela abantu ababhema ama drugs ukuthi nje into ehlukile okay wonke amaphara umuntu obhema intashi umuntu obhema ingidi umuntu obhema yini wonke amaphara it's just that laba bentashi bayibona ngathi bakwi VIP section yeah just because bona bane-throw bayibona ngathi bahlele VIP section but nonke nisuke na amaphara because I mean how the hell are you abusing your body so much because yabo after ukubhema mawubhema intashi abantu